The issuances of letters of intents by AEDB to 97 companies for Gharo and Jhimpir wind corridor also raised a lot of money for the government. Each 50 megawatt project investor had to pay $10,000 in terms of project facilitation and evaluation expense. For 100 megawatt projects, the amount was $20,000. The total comes approximately to rupees 60 million. Out of the 97 companies, 21 were allocated land in Sindh province. 10 independent power producers completed their feasibility studies. 9 applied for licenses and NEPRA issued license to only 6 of them. 5 filed petitions for tariff and only one of them was able to pass this stage and negotiate successfully with NEPRA for an acceptable tariff. The company also went ahead to sign the power purchase agreement with the government of Pakistan.
And this is it. Here we are at the wind farm project site of Zolu Energy Limited. The company has a plan to produce 50 megawatts of electricity through this wind farm project. Now initially they had a plan to erect 5 wind turbines by the end of the year 2008. Up till now they have completed 4 wind turbines, each having a height of 69 meters, and the total output of these 4 wind turbines is 4.8 megawatts. This 4.8 megawatts is ready to be put on the national grid of Pakistan as soon as somebody from the government is available to inaugurate the project.
We will be giving this electricity to the grid already beginning next year, and then we will continue on assembling, putting up the turbines every time they come to the site.
But where are the other companies? Some could not get their tariff plans through NEPRA.
It was NEPRA which actually did not give attractive tariff to that.
The applicants were not certain in their requests.
By the time they would go and negotiate a price and come back to NEPRA, it was already time to increase the price by the manufacturers.
By the time NEPRA was ready to determine tariff, they changed their price, which they quoted in their tariff application.
It was basically NEPRA which delayed, and I think if you talk to the investors, they faced a lot of problems.
We have been granted per kilowatt hour price of 12.1 cents.
NEPRA was required to give them that tariff, the higher tariff.
Some got stuck in land issues.
Whenever we identified land, we would find illegal, kabzas and so on and so forth.
तो इधर मक्का में लोगों की ज़मीनें जो है ना इसमें आ गई हैं, उनका नहीं कोई मुआवजा वगैरह मुकर्रर किया है, नहीं कोई उन लोगों को इधर रोज़गार दिया है.
97 companies signed the LOIs. Land was available only for 20 projects.
Why?
Because there was only so much given to us by the Sindh government.
आते हैं भाई, ये हमें ज़मीन मिल गई भाई, हमारे यहाँ हमारे लीजें हैं, हम गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स अदा कर रहे हैं, हमारे अंग्रेज़ के दौर से कबूली लैंड्स हैं, उनके लिए आप एक पॉलिसी तो बनाओ, उनको डिमार्केशन करके एक निकालो एक साइड पे, उसके बाद अगर वो ज़मीनें में उनको चाहिए, हम रेंट पे उन कंपनी को देने के लिए तैयार हैं.
I had to involve the chief minister, the governor, everybody was involved in it. Even then, the final leasing took place in January, February 2008.
We have potential investors. I would like to invest, but in such a situation when the government does not make its homework or is not preparing the ground for conducting the business, I'm sorry to say that no investor would really come forward.
By this time, the global demand for wind turbines had also increased, and this caused some of the investors to face long delivery schedules for turbines that they had ordered. A suitable option for Pakistan at that time was to start manufacturing wind turbines.
After all, this is not rocket science. Wind turbines have an enormous potential internationally. There is a 3-year waiting list at the moment.
It is not that in your backyard you just start making wind turbine. There's a lot of precision involved in this. I, being an engineer, I know.
These could have been done in the heavy mechanical complex or in the shipyard or other places where the basic manufacturing tools are available.
But not many countries have this expertise right now.
These wind turbines is very simple technology. It's a fan moving reverse. The fan technology is very mature in this country anyway.
The process of creating a wind turbine is being done at different levels in the country. You can find some manufacturers who perform this task at small scales.
The process of making a wind turbine is not that difficult. It's a fairly simple process. But the only thing which is required is the precision involved in making this device. Now, there are many wind turbine manufacturers in the country who are doing this on a very small scale. What they require is the demand. Once the demand is there, these people will start making these turbines in large quantities. And I'm sure if these people are supported properly by the government of Pakistan, they can bring about a big change.
If this is so simple, why haven't the heavy mechanical complex or SAPACO not yet started manufacturing wind turbines?
Because there was no demand at that point in time. If there was a serious customer, like if government had started, so we would have started the manufacturing.
Yeah, that's true.
But it is a chicken and egg situation.
I think we have lost 5 or 6 years, and we shouldn't have done that. We should have gone ahead.
We have been less than fortunate because we did not start in time.
Almost 8 years now have passed, but nothing has happened.
And to be honest, we have slipped in the ADB's target. And we have slipped because of reasons which should have been known to us to begin with. But let me give you this confidence that we will be able to meet our 2015 and 2030 targets.
The Gharo-Jampir wind corridor story does not end here. It continues. One investor was successful. Some are in the process of gathering wind data so that they can also put wind turbines over here. Many others have vanished somewhere. So out of the total 50,000 megawatts, what we will get will be very little. Now this is not all. All this took time, a lot of time. And by the time we'll have wind turbines over here, more time will have passed. Our energy needs will be more, and the shortfall will still be there.